Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I am going to be unboxing the Resiners Air Purifier. You have seen these used by a lot of resin artists. I am very late to the game. So today I'm going to unbox this. So this is how the box looks like. So in the box you get your plug. It is according to the European plug, and this is the resin air purifier itself. It is a very good size, and actually I love the color combination that resiners always use. So this is how it looks like, and there is this plastic on the top. I'm going to just remove that and I'm going to open it. It has a filter that you have to remove out of the plastic, and one thing that I was getting wrong was there was a connection inside and I wasn't. So this was happening because I didn't read the instructions. You have to do that. So this is what I'm showing you. There is a connection inside. This is the smaller plug that you have to fix in, and then your air purifier will be on. So this is something that, and these are the quality of air you need. You need to be this on a green, and this is the top of the screen display, the details that you can see. You can control the temperature, time indicator, and filter life indicator. There are all the details. So let's start with the project. So I will be using a very lovely mold by Resiners. So this is their mold, and I actually really love this one. It is such a unique and new mold. I haven't seen it before. So do let me know if you have seen it, but it is a lovely mold and it has a lot of uses. So basically this was a release for the Valentines, but I can see this can be made into so many other things. And this is a kit, and the kit contains the mold, the glitters, and the brush set. So these are the glitters. Let's start the project, and I will be discussing the purifier in between, but before that I'm going to mix my resin, and for this I'm going to use the Resiners mixing machine, and it has two mixers, one for the small and one for the bigger one. Very easy to use, very friendly as well. So you can set the speeds as you like. So my resin is all mixed, and now on to the project. So just to let you know that I have turned on the machine. It has a very slight noise, but again, if you turn on the fan, it is going to be louder. So this machine is first of its kind, released by Resiners, and I don't think anyone else has made the resin air purifier before. So definitely I think this is very necessary. So you can see the VOC is going up still because this is a resin craft room, and I have so many things that are cured, uncured, so it is going to pick that also. And next to that, I am using the resin bubble removing machine. I have selected the auto of this machine. You can set it also manually, but I think auto is perfect for me because I am not a very tech person, and when I do mess a lot with the machine, so I am using this machine for some time now. So I think auto is perfect for me. For the mold, what I'm doing here is that I have mixed my resin as I have shown you, and to the resin I added a little bit of white mica powder. That's it, and I'm just pouring it into the stand. This stand to me looks like a stand also, and hands that are in a position, so it is a very symbolic sort of mold. I really loved it. So I'm going to fill this one with the white resin here, the mica one. And then for the puzzles, I'm going to be going for a little bit of transparent, and then I'm going to add some dry flowers because it is a heart. So I think there should be a meaning behind it. And as I am making it, some ideas are floating in my mind, but we will do that in the next videos. But for now, I'm going to keep it simple. So I'm pouring little resin into the molds, and after that I'm going to add the dry flowers, then the golden foil, and then some cellophane paper and some pearls. And also I added some crystals. You all know that I love crystals and I want to add them. So I added some rose quartz and quartz crystal into the heart. So that's what I will be doing in the process here. You just enjoy the process. So I'm going to leave this to cure, and I will show you the air purifier that is very angry at the moment. So this shows you that how high the VOC is around me, and how no matter how much they tell you the reason is safe, but still you have to wear your respirator, and then this air purifier is helping on the top. So now I'm going to demold this. It's all done, and I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So very carefully, I'm going to take the puzzles out, and then this stand also. So everything is out of the mold, and now I'm going to arrange the heart. So now it looks really fairly simple, and I knew that how I'm going to do that, but to my excitement, it was really wrong. So I will show you how I'm just seeing how all the shapes and arranging them. So this is what I was thinking that it's going to be looking like. So here how a simple design can make your mind so confused. So this is what happening to me exactly here. And I was thinking that the mold is not right or something. Yeah, there is a mistake in the mold. And this was not going inside. And then you know what I did, that I really trimmed that puzzle part, and I thought that it's going to fit, and I will make you see that it's going to fit by trimming the puzzle part. To me, that style of the heart was looking good also, but that was not the shape. And here we go, I have made the wrong heart, but still it was looking good, but then it was not fitting into the stand. So now I'm going to show you the right way. It was so simple. Here we go. And this one goes here. And simply this one goes here, and you got a lovely heart shape here. And yeah, I was really happy. A simple puzzle, just 4 blocks, and I was not able to put it together, but all in all it was so beautiful. I really loved how it looked like. So here we go. I'm going to do a little bit of top coat onto the heart, but I really love this mold. It is very simple, but it has very meaning behind it. You can add so many things into this heart. This is perfect for preserving your wedding flowers, or for your flowers from your loved one, their ashes, your pets. There's so much meaning behind that. You can add something very special into this heart and give it to your loved one, your mom, your friend. So I think this is a lovely mold. So there was a little design in the mold, so I'm adding some golden paint into that area. So this is all done now, and I will leave this to dry, and I will show you the final piece, how it looks like. So this is the final piece, and I really love how it turned out. I already love the mold, so I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So this is the final look, and for the air purifier, the thing that I understand is that you don't have to make it angry. The red indicates that it is very high, your resin, the fumes around you from the resin. So that tells you that how much toxic the resin is. So I will be using the air purifier, and I'm going to update you almost in every other video how it is working for me. So I will link everything in my description if you like to treat yourself. But I think as far as if there is something that is helping you for your health, you need to buy that for your resin. Or yeah, I do work in a well ventilated area, but still I think these things are important. So I will link everything in my description. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.